panels, I am Mary Maria Lamantillo and will be our time critics. If Daniela Roya,
Noreline May de la Vega,
Kirby Hernandez,
Derek Alberto,
and Crystal Ann Franco. Today, we are honored to present our research study titled The Influence of Online Reviews and Ratings on Consumer Purchase Decisions, an analysis of factors affecting trust and decisions making in e-commerce. In this study, we delve into the critical role that online reviews and ratings play in shaping consumers' trust and influencing their purchasing behavior in digital marketplace. We aim to provide valuable insight into the dynamics of e-commerce decision making. Thank you for your time and we look forward to sharing our findings with you. E-commerce has made shopping more convenient as technology has advanced. People may now shop online from the comfort of their homes, while in the past purchasing goods meant going to physical stores. Customers can browse, compare prices, and have items delivered without ever leaving their home state thanks to e-commerce, which provides convenient access to a large range of products. This change makes shopping more effective and accessible for everyone by saving time and effort. Lockerman et al. 2013 assert that ratings and reviews are an essential source of information for customers, particularly in e-commerce, because they are unable to visually inspect things when we shop online. Customers mostly rely on reviews and ratings to help them selections. These evaluations assist prospective customers deciding if a product is right for them by providing information about the product's performance, quality, and customer satisfaction, while negative reviews might warn customers of possible problems. Positive reviews and high ratings foster trust and encourage purchases. Because of these, reviews and ratings are very important in the decision-making process and have an impact on social shoppers' decisions.
This study aims to examine the influence of online reviews and ratings on the consumer purchase decision of students at Valencia University of Science and Technology, focusing on factors that affect trust and decision-making and e-commerce. Specifically, it seeks to address the following. Describe the profile of the respondent in terms of age, gender, program of study, frequency of online purchases. Prefer e-commerce platforms. Describe the influence of online reviews and ratings on the purchase decision of students in terms of star ratings, written reviews, authenticity of reviews, trustworthiness of reviews. Describe the factors contributing to students' trust in online reviews in terms of consistency of reviews with product experience, verified purchase levels, numbers of reviews. Describe the study's perception of fake or manipulated reviews in terms of frequency of encountering fake reviews, impact of reviews on trust, effect of purchase decision. Propose a strategic plan based on the research finding to help businesses manage online reviews to build trust and improve student purchase decisions.
Emphasizes the significant role of online reviews and ratings in influencing consumer trust and purchase decision in e-commerce. Trust is fostered by verified buyers, consistent high ratings, and legal reviews. Reviews with automated reviews for their enhanced credibility. Emotional tone and speaking details in reviews also shape consumer confidence, while cultural and demographic factors affect perceptions of trustworthiness. The prevalence of fake reviews negatively impacts trust, discouraging purchases and highlighting the importance of ensuring authenticity.
This study will use a descriptive correlational research designed to examine how online reviews and rating impact consumer purchase decisions. This method is ideal for exploring the connection between consumer trust and buying behavior, especially in the e-commerce setting. By observing and analyzing this relationship, the study aims to provide a deeper understanding of How customer feedback influences decision-making in online shopping.
Convenience sampling is a method where researchers choose participants who are easy to reach, like friends, family, or people. It's a quick and affordable way to gather information, making it useful for small studies or early research. This method saves time and money, but it has drawbacks. The results can be biased because the sample may not represent the whole population. Some groups might be included more often, simply because they are easier to access. Despite their issues, convenience sampling is helpful when researchers need quick and simple insights.
Customers' purchasing decisions are greatly influenced by reviews and ratings, particularly in the current digital economy. They act as a social evidence, which means that potential customers consider other people's experiences when evaluating the dependability and quality of computer service. Good evaluations boost up brand credibility and trust, which frequently results in higher sales and more devoted customers. However, unfavorable evaluations might cast doubt on prospective buyers, making them worry or perhaps abandoning a transaction entirely. In order to cultivate client trust and loyalty, which in turn propels long-term success, control industry businesses must maintain a solid commitment.
This means that the future research should explore the main factors that affect how customer use reviews and rating to decide whenever to buy a product or service. Perceive the legitimacy of the reviewers. This refers to how genuine or credible the reviewer is. Emotional tone of the feedback. This is about the feelings expressed in the review such as excitement, frustration, or disappointment. Social effect of group opinions and collective viewpoints. This focuses on the impact of many people agreeing or sharing similar opinions in reviews. This means looking at how people compare bad reviews to good ones when choosing to buy something. This means finding out if people pay more attention to things like price, how the product works, or customer service when reading reviews. Question from Dr. Annalyn and Gabby. What were the key limitations you encountered during your data collection process? And how did this limitation affect the scope or outcomes of your study? Participants may not always provide honest answers, especially if survey or interviews are used which could skew the results.
Questions from Dr. John S. Abdullah. Your findings indicate that trust in reviews is influenced by factors such as authenticity and verified purchase levels. Can you elaborate on how these factors impact consumer confidence in e-commerce transactions? Trust in online reviews is heavily influenced by authenticity and verified purchase levels. As this addresses consumers' concerns about reliability and credibility when shopping online. Authenticity is established through detailed specific reviews, often accompanied by photos, videos, or personal experiences, providing transparency that reduces uncertainty and increases buyer confidence. Verified purchase levels further enhance credibility by proving that the reviewer has genuinely purchased and used the product. Distinguishing authentic feedback from fake or biased reviews. Together, these factors foster consumer trust, leading to higher engagement, satisfaction, and loyalty to e-commerce platforms.
Question from Dr. Marin P. Aswal. In your strategic plan, you recommend the use of AI-powered moderation tools for filtering reviews. How would you assess the feasibility and ethical implications of implementing such tools in e-commerce platforms? Enhancing the caliber and readability of user reviews on e-commerce platforms can be achieved by integrating AI-powered review moderation technologies. To make sure that technology improves rather than compromises the user experience and platform integrity, we must carefully manage the difficulties and moral commitments. Businesses can only fully utilize AI potential while preserving the rights and confidence of their customers by
Based on your findings, what practical steps can local e-commerce businesses take to enhance consumer trust through reviews and ratings? Local e-commerce businesses can boost trust with encouraging reviews, simplifying the process, and offering incentives. Transparency is key. Display both positive and negative reviews while addressing concerns professionally. Highlighting positive feedback through testimonials and ads strengthens credibility. Engaging with customers by taking reviews and resolving complaints builds stronger relationships. Finally, ensuring that publicity may monitor effective reviews and using trusted platforms solidifies trust and reputation.
Question from Dr. Nestor Natividad. How do demographic factors such as age and frequency of online shopping influence the respondents' reliance on review and rating when making purchasing decisions? Demographic factors like age and online shopping frequency significantly impact reliance on reviews. Younger, tech-savvy shoppers and frequent online buyers are more likely to trust and choose reviews, while older or occasional shoppers may rely less on them. Understanding these differences helps businesses tailor their strategies to different customer groups.
That's all. Thank you. We are the Group 3 from BS and graduating and USD Studies in Roma.